we are with this stud muffin, Blind Luck Mechanic.
She gives me more credit than I deserve. Alright guys, so we've got another sponsor. This is also for the Ranger. I messaged this company and they messaged me back and we worked out some things. Super thankful to them. Go check them out. It's Proform, and that's all capitals, Proform. Of course, there'll be a link to their website and their Facebook in the description. Y'all go show these companies some love. Write them a review if you want to, but show them some love. Like and share their page around, because without them and without you, this wouldn't be possible. So I appreciate y'all, and I appreciate these companies. I appreciate Proform. So let's open it up and we'll see just what we have. Oh man, my knifing skills ain't knifing today.
Yes, we let him play with knives every now and then.
They shouldn't. Everybody's gonna be like, don't cut towards yourself. And I've never not cut towards myself. I never got cut. Man, they packaged it well, that's for sure. I will give them that.
Make sure I can get your knifing skills in there.
Please do. That's talent. Y'all see that how I cut where I didn't even need to cut? Man alive. Dude, this packaging is top notch, right? Awful well. That's really what it is. Finally. Alright.
It's a box inside of a box.
What?
Just kidding.
What do we have here? Oh, that'll be a giveaway. What y'all guys? Y'all know what that is? Let's see what else is in here. Maybe they just sent me some gaskets.
It's a flag.
Oh, it's a flag?
Yeah,
Oh,
like a banner.
I bet it's a banner.
Yeah.
Super sweet. Catalog.
You had it upside down. There you go. Yeah, there you go. Yes.
Some reading material for the Blind Luck Mechanic. Ah, there it is. The T-shirt.
That will be your wife's.
What color is it?
Black.
What size is it?
An extra large.
Nah, yeah, definitely not. That's like a mechanic's small.
Is that what they say?
Let's see.
Ooh.
Yeah, because the extra large is a mechanic's small.
Ooh, that one's great. I like that one. Heck yeah.
It feels a little bigger.
Oh, that one's a 3X.
Oh, that one's mine. That one's mine, because I'm a big boy.
This is the prettiest.
Oh my god, they just sent me a block of foam. What in the world? Any stickers?
No.
Is there a spec sheet or anything?
Nope.
Look at this, guys. It's this block of foam. Huh. Ta-da! Guys, this is going to elevate the Ranger to a whole nother level.
Proform 650.
Proform 650 Double Pumper Carburetor, son. Oh, I'm excited. I don't know the specs on it, so I'll probably add to this video. Go over the specs of it. Check that out.
That's nice.
Oh my gosh, what color is it?
It's like silver, and then right through here, and then the bottom is like a fire ass purple.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. I mean, it's hot.
This, I'm pretty sure, guys, because I don't feel a choke. This is the Race Series 650 double pumper from Proform. So it doesn't have a choke horn for optimal airflow, and I think there's other things about it too. Something about the boosters or the Venturi. But anyways, come back and I'll get the specs in another video and we'll talk about it. But son, yeah, because I remember on their website I think there's a black or a purple series.
That's nice. I love that.
So, son. But guys, yeah, go show Proform, and that's all caps and Proform, no hyphen. Son, I'm even more excited than when I got the email, because I thought I was just getting a regular 650. Son of a gun, let's get this sucker out here more. I'm super excited now. I was excited before, but man,
I think it's replaced my spot in the bed, y'all.
I might sleep with this tonight. Son, let's give it a sniff. Oh man.
Ooh, that's nice.
Gosh, let me get it back. Is that right, or do I need to rotate it?
Rotate it. There you go.
All right, guys. Go show Proform some love. And show my baby dog some love. Links in the description to Proform's website and Facebook, guys. Please go thank them, and please share this video for me. Thank y'all.